This video is going to go over zeroing, transducing, and trending on your EVD. So first we're going to talk about zeroing your EVD. So what we need to do first is we're going to come to your stopcock here that's attached to your transducer. So we are going to turn this stopcock off to the rest of the EVD drain, because at this point we only want the transducer in contact with your monitor. So once you do that, you're going to take your red cap off. You're then going to come over to your monitor here, and at this point you can either click on your ICP waveform and click 0 here, or you can click 0 here down at the bottom. Once you click that, you're going to see down here at the bottom it says ICP 0 in progress, and you're going to see your waveform flattening. You're going to listen for the 2 beeps and see the 0. Once you hear the 2 beeps, see the 0, and you also see here down at the bottom ICP 0 done March 17th at 14:21. You can replace your red cap onto your transducer and turn your stopcock back. Your monitor has now been zeroed. Now, if you want to transduce an ICP, all you're going to do is take this stopcock and turn it off to the bureaucrol. This way, if you look, your stopcock is open here from the patient and then open all the way down your tubing, and now your EVD is just communicating with your transducer. This would be an example of what your waveform should look like. And if you see over here, you're going to record the number that's in the parentheses. The 2 is going to be your ICP reading. Before recording your ICP reading, you do want to give it a minute to settle out, because your numbers may fluctuate. The other thing to mention, you won't always have a number over another number. So sometimes you'll just see something that looks just like a 2, where in this case it looks just like an 8, and that could be your reading. Sometimes you will have it where it looks like this. But this is going to be the number that's in parentheses, what you record in your Epic charting. The last thing that we're going to talk about is trending. So when you are trending an ICP, this stopcock here is going to be turned this direction so that all 3 are communicating with each other. So your CSF fluid is draining, it's going through here, and it's still draining into your bureaucrol, but it's still passing by your transducer. The trending value gives you, it's not giving you an accurate ICP, but you can use it to see if you're having any changes in your ICP value. So if you were trending at a 1 and now you're trending at a 5, that can give you a little bit of a hint that your ICPs might be a little bit higher and that you should come in and transduce an ICP. However, it's just super important to remember your trending ICP is not your true ICP and should never be charted.